Welcome back. Session 33, Make Stocks Fun. Just want to say happy holiday to you guys and thank you for staying in tune with the channel. It means a lot to me. Appreciate you being here. So I just wanted to recap what we done in the last month. We really did a lot of work with our spreadsheet, noting companies that have been discounted and filling in the blanks. Like I stated a lot of times, this is a canvas. We're just painting a picture to see what companies we want to invest in by calling them, by doing a quick evaluation, finding out how relative their price is to investing and making 20% by timing and target price, noting their earnings per share growth over the last 7 years. This is an annual percentage, and then we grade it based on their consistency to increase their numbers year after year, quarter after quarter. And so that's all laid out for us. And then we noted free cash as well. And something new this week, on Friday, I'll be awarding myself 100 shares, 100 paper trades, and then I'll go into what companies I select and things like that. But the legwork will be done, Tuesday through Thursday, maybe in some of it Friday morning even, if necessary. But just to get as much detail as possible, really, we don't want to invest in anything sight unseen. So we want all the information that is available to us. This is the information age. So usually a lot of this is just a click away and whatnot. And I wanted to tell you guys, I have an elite 100 list. I went through the quick evaluation and I noted that through the 100 companies I found out or have on my list, 8% is the variance from doing the quick evaluation to the market price. So it's very relevant. And I noted 2 companies really stood out to me, and I'll be adding them to my list tomorrow, but we're talking almost 100% difference when I said the average is about 8%. And as I noted a lot of times, with my Harley decision, the quick evaluation was 72, so almost double of the target price that we're going to. And I really take note in doing quick evals and everything on the list. I take everything in consideration, but some things that deter me sometimes from company is the quick eval. Sometimes like Medfast, for instance, I noted that there was a $55, and for us at our 20%, we need 73.40. So that's quite the difference. And not only that, as I ran the numbers, actually this has changed to now 48. Why? Because the evaluation on the company just went down over the last few weeks since we noted this company on our hot stock list. Here we go, Medfast statistics. It's 531, not 608. So it's concerning to see that only in a few weeks that this company went down like that. Let's see what the actual. Yeah. So $48, and we're trying to get to 73.40. So that obviously would deter me from investing. And maybe the situation changes. Otherwise, I have to find out why the enterprise value is less and has went down significantly since, when did it actually start? Let's find out. I want to say a year and a half ago. Yeah, so it's 326, June 21. And then from there, we've been just on a straight road all the way down. So I don't know what happened on this date and what's been occurring, but that's something I need to find out, because if they can change it and get back to where they were, then you double, triple your money in a quick amount of time. But otherwise, where is this really headed? And they have outpaced the market very well over the last 10 years. So I'll bring them up on stock analysis. I noted that, their free cash looks good. Oops. Dividend always has gone up, $48.75, $13, $42, $65, $65. So they continue to always go up, which is important. Let's see the forecast. Yeah, analysts as a whole, and that has to be the reason. The enterprise value goes down by that much in a matter of weeks. That's a bad sign. There's smoke. When there's smoke, there's fires. So I gotta get on the phone and make some calls to Medfast and really see what's going on there, and trying to get the whole picture and seeing if this is something that we want to invest in the future or not. But it's important to find that out, along with these other companies as well. Dollar General is interesting. We had a huge cap on that, $210. So nice ceiling from our 161. A lot of room to play. They're already up 7% since we noted them. And just an overall view of when we put them on the list compared to the market. IIPR has done very well. Their eval is a little down from our 20% goal. So just something to keep note of. When I called them, they didn't answer the phone. It was just operator only. That's very discouraging. So maybe I'll try to get another phone number, another way in that I could talk to these companies. Harley looks very good. Polaris, I like a lot. I see a definite advantage with Polaris. 105.65. Johnson Controls is pretty close to that ceiling. Let's see, and then we'll bring them up just to see where they're at. They were at 44 billion and offered 680,000 shares. Let's see where they're at now. And that's what I'm doing today. On these off-market days, I check the numbers and really dive in to see, what the next week looks like, and updating my log, doing those type of things. So let's go under stats. Both of your days going well. Enterprise value 46, so it's 46 billion and 680. 680 and 46. So their enterprise value went up a little bit, and they offered the same amount of shares. So if we change that, 46. $68. So now it's a little above where our ceiling is. So it's important to note these things. And when I called Johnson Controls last week, if you missed it, I encourage you to check out that video. I made connected with 3 companies and got to learn more about like Johnson Controls and what they all do and how long they've been around, things like that. And we're just kind of scratching the surface. And as we make calls, we learn more about them, and we'll feel more confident as investors what we're actually investing in. Very important. And maybe along the way, we just find something out. Like maybe they're increasing overseas, increasing locations, or maybe they have some new patent coming out, something like that. Something of interest that we might want to know about. Universal Logistics is a company that I'm very interested in knowing more about. They have a nice ceiling. They went up almost 18% since we put them on the watch list. So definitely like to stay in tune with all these companies and figure things out. But that's all I had for today, guys. Tune in tomorrow. We'll jump on the phone, make some calls, and we'll go through these numbers, see if anything's changed at all, something to keep note of. And and regrade them and see where we're at. Thanks for staying in tune with us. Have a great day.